The holidays came early for the science team leading NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission to collect samples from a near-Earth asteroid. Monday they announced findings from the mission thus far, which arrived at asteroid Bennu December 3. Scientists were already buzzing with excitement in November when the spacecraft's long-range cameras began beaming early images of the asteroid. Now, the first few close-ups confirm the buzz. "We're very excited," said Humberto Campins, a University of Central Florida planetary scientist, professor of physics and member of the OSIRIS-REx Science Team. He and UCF colleague Associate Professor Yan Fernandez are part of the team that will analyze close-range images of the asteroid to recommend the best spot to collect the sample. "The images are spectacular and spot-on, what we expected thanks to predictions made with the instrumentation at the Arecibo Observatory in the late 90s and early 2000s. We will spend a year and a half mapping Bennu and have to wait until mid-2020 to collect the sample, but it is pretty amazing to actually see it now. Christmas came early,